Talang-talang Pinas. Thank you. Right, guys, ang ganda ng Bangalore. As in, talong-talo yung Pinas. Maganda siya. Grabe, ang ganda ng ano, ang ganda ng ano niya, yung, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Super, super ganda talaga. May mga paganyan pa sila. Talagang based talaga sa culture yung airport. Ramdam ko yung kung saan yung history nila. Ganda. Hindi ako nagsisi na pumunta ako ng Bangalore. Wow. Super nice. Tapos, okay naman yung immigration, smooth naman. Medyo nabingi lang ako. Kasi, syempre alam mo na, iba yung accent. Pero nakalusot. Kasi vacation na lang naman talaga pupuntahan. Wala naman tayong gagawin iba. So, yun. So, it's official. Welcome to India. Nakakatuwa lang. Ito na yung pag-check. Okay. Let's go. Oh, dadamot na tayo customs. Wait. Wow. Ganda. Nice. Ganda ng airport nila. Expected. The unexpected talaga. Hi, excuse me. Where is the bus going to the city center?
So go straight and take the second left.
Go straight then left.
Second left.
How about I'm planning to ride an Uber.
So you have to book online.
Sorry?
You have to book online.
Book online. Where I'll be staying there.
So you have to do it online by yourself.
Yeah, I mean where is the
Point. Go
There,
straight
there.
then first left.
same. Okay.
First left.
All right. Thank you. May Subway sila dito, Subway. Tapos meron Pizza Hut, meron Wendy's. Meron din coffee, Kotas Coffee. Kaso di ako gutom today. Ito yung mga information. Ganda guys, oh. Ganda na ano nila, oh. Grabe. Imagine na. Wala, talang-talong Pinas. Sana naman, Pilipinas. Mayroon tayong ganito. I think sa Clark meron naman na. Sa Clark, sa Cebu, Terminal 2 maganda. Sa Clark, alam ko maganda na rin yung Clark. Yun na lang talaga. Yung Manila, sana magawa na yung ano natin, airport natin sa Manila. Feeling ko, yun na yung ano. Ganda yun. Ay, ganda. Oo nga, ganda. Saan mo yung boss? TMC. So, dito ka mag-Uber ka. Mag-Uber na lang kaya ako. Layo kasi. Actually, dito sa Bangalore, mga around 50 kilometers plus. Hindi, mga 40 to 50 kilometers bago ka makarating sa city center. So malaya kasi yung hotel ko, kumbaga sa pinaka anong dulo na. Parang lagpas pa ng city center, pero at least doon pa rin sa sa city. So hindi ko alam kung magbo-book ako ng Uber or baka mag-book na lang ako or baka sumakay na lang ako ng bus. Pero feeling ko, titingnan ko muna yung presyo. Kapag nasa 1,100 kasi the last time I checked, nasa 1,100 yun eh. Let's see kung mas siya. Kung yun pa rin. Sana yun pa rin para ay patay, walang wifi. So, Wala ay, ayun, BLR. Meron. May free wifi sa airport. Dapat lang, syempre, dapat may free wifi. Teka, join tayo. Uy! Ah! Ay, hebal kasi. Hosur ako, hosur. 1-1. Pwede na. Sige, mag-ano na lang ako. Mukhang matatagalan ako sa Uber na lang tayo. Ano kasi tayo? Ayun, no? Guys, so, 1. Airport. Yan, 1-1. So, parang lumalabas na sa ano siya. Nasa 800, gano'n. 800, 900. Pwede na to. Kaysa ano. Kasi gabi na kasi. Iba kasi kapag ano. Dapat memorize mo talaga yung ano. Nag-download kaya ako ng Ola.
Yes, sir.
This one?
Yeah. This
Or-
one is correct.
Yeah,
this-
yeah.
Uber Go.
Yeah.
Uber Go vehicles is not available, sir. You can take sedan or premier, sir. Immediately vehicles is available.
Not available Uber Go?
Not available,
Okay,
sir.
what's the only available?
Premier or sedan is immediately available, sir.
Okay.
Sedan?
Okay, the sedan one.
How much?
1, 2.
Pesos?
Hindi.
Board number 4, you get a cab, sir.
Number 4, okay.
Yes. Number 4, sir.
Okay.
Board number 4, you get a cab.
Okay. Thank you.
How much?
1,200. So, mga nasa around almost 900. Yan.
Pwede na. Malayo naman.
Ang galing nyo. Wait lang may tinitignan ako eh. So, ipapakita mo lang yung code mo. Ito, tingnan mo, may papakita ng code. Ayan o, may papakita siyang code.
Ay, mas maganda pala dyan. Para
Oo, hindi ka na mag-aantay. Kasi wala daw available na ano. Ito, Uber Sedan. Ay, Uber Sedan?
Alam, 3 months na ka pa
Sedan.
lang. Eh, naka-headset ka ba?
Wait lang. Hindi ako naka-headset.
Sure ka sa yun?
Ah,
Paano ka na sure?
thank you.
May sure ka sa yun?
Oo nga.
Paalam mo sa
Yan talaga. Ay, sa kabila pala. Alright, sorry. Sa gabi. In our country, we will wait. We will just wait for a driver. Here, just show the pin.
फिर आग में के मुंह अगर गाड़ी
Yeah. In our place, you will wait for 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Mm.
Yeah. Bangalore. Sa 26.
अभी आगे बहुत अच्छे है
हाँ?
आगे बहुत अच्छा है अभी
Ay, it's okay.
आगे है गार्डन गार्डन
Ah.
गार्डन बहुत है ऐसे अंदर बहुत है
Mm.
पर ये देखो
This. Airport.
हाँ
Airport is beautiful.
हम्म,
Beautiful airport. So ito na, nakalabas na tayo ng parang expressway. So parang ito, highway na nila to. Yung the usual highway. Cebu yan. First Uber for today sa India. Medyo malayo-layo pa yung namin, punta namin. Buti pa na around 1 hour. So, hindi ako familiar sa lugar. Saan mag-Uber ako. Familiar na ako. So I will take chances magbukas ako. Parang kailangan kasi familiarize yung lugar na lang. But of course, syempre, before naman ako punta dito, nag-check din ako ng mga sa Facebook, sa vlog, sa YouTube. Walang masyado nag-vlog regarding sa mga transportation and everything. From the airport to the city center. Kaya, nag-search ako sa Move It, sa accessible yung Move It na app nito. So, sinek ko, pwede daw mag-bus papunta sa city center. Siyempre, dahil hindi kasi natin nakikita, wala kasi nag-vlog na photo, or baka meron pa kayo siya nakikita. Kaya, nag-ano na ako ng Google na ako. Nasaan na tayo? Nasa city center na tayo. So, according sa map, malapit na tayo sa... Dito yun eh. Malapit na tayo sa hotel. So, tingin ko may kita nyo. Ito naman. Parang parang Pinas lang din. Same lang. Parang halos may kumpara mo lang talaga sa Pilipinas yung lugar niya. Pero, looking forward ako kasi mura lang daw yung mga bilihin dito compared sa atin. Mas mura pa dito. Mahal din ang nila dito actually. Actually, mura na to kasi nasa 1-2. So, mga around 50 kilometers yun, 1-2 lang. 1-2 dito. Pero kapag kinonvert mo sa atin, nasa around 850 to 900. Mura na din. Somehow mura din. Kasi nung pumunta ako ng airport, kasi nagmamadali nga ako, di ba? Nung pumunta ako ng airport, nung last time na ako, nung muntikan na ako na maiwan. Grabe, ang binayaran ko noon, almost 900 kasi dumaan kami sa expressway, gabi. The Skyway, 290, ay taga-Tondo lang naman ako. Tapos, yung Grab, nasa 500 something. So, parang ang binayaran ko, almost 800 din. Grabe, sobrang mahal. Pero dito, 50 kilometers, 900 plus tip. Pero doon, sa atin, parang 15 kilometers na nga tayo for 800 with Skyway. Grabe. Much more pa kaya kung sa Hong Kong, magkano sa Hong Kong? Sa 2,000 plus 3,000. Ganun siya ka. So, ganun. So, malalaman mo talaga na mura lang talaga dito sa India. Labi nila is parang nasa second floor. Tulog na sila. Ako na lang isip siya kasi kuya. Malayo pala. This one.
This one? Just
Yeah.
subscribe.
This one.
This one.
Can you say hi to my vlog?
Sure.
Hi. Yeah. I'm checking. Checking.
Sure.
Okay, thank
This
you.
is your welcome drink voucher.
Okay, thank
And
you.
this is your room number 1018 on 10th floor.
Okay.
So for any assistant, there is a guest service button in the telephone. You can just press that.
Okay, no.
Yes.
Alright, noted. Question. How about for buffet breakfast? How much?
There is a $4.99 plus taxes.
We have a
but you
25%
will-
discount.
25%
If
Yes.
me and my friend, for example,
If your
that's
friend is
50%.
adding 50%.
That's 50. Okay. How about lunch and dinner buffet?
Lunch is we don't have a buffet. There is a like a dinner.
A la carte.
It's only a la carte. How about dinner buffet?
$9.99 plus taxes.
999 then less for
25%, if
okay.
2%, 50%.
Same, just same. How about a la carte? Same also.
A la
Less.
A la carte also same.
Room,
Less.
if you
25%.
order from room, there is a no discount you will get. You have to order from restaurant only.
From the restaurant. Okay. I'm planning to redeem my points. So is it
Yeah,
okay?
At the checkout time you can.
Is it okay to deduct my points?
Yes, yes, you
So
can.
all
At the checkout time you
In the final billing, we'll redeem the points.
Alright. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.
So are you planning for Mysore Palace?
Sorry?
Mysore Palace?
Mysore Palace.
Yes. There is a place called Mysore. Oh, it's 200 kilometers from Bangalore.
Oh,
It's
it's
a very
so far.
beautiful palace.
Let me think about it. It's because I'm only staying for 6 days.
Okay.
Is there a holiday on January 26, right?
Yes,
That's I
there's a
think that's a Republic holiday. What's going? What's
So
can you
actually,
tell
nothing
can you tell
much,
me more
like,
about?
it's-
Nothing much. No.
Yes, like earlier, what happened after getting the freedom? So, so many states was there in India.
So no work.
So,
No
like,
work.
all organizing the state-wise, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, like that.
Mm.
So it's
So-
organized under that.
So no work. No class.
No class. It's a government holiday.
It's a holiday. How about malls? Is it
Malls
open?
are Everything is open.
Yeah,
Only
okay.
the government offices.
The
is
government
closed.
office is open.
Okay. How about the traffic?
Traffic
When-
Bit less.
less.
Traffic
Less
will be
Official
almost
timing
less.
is
Oh,
not
so better to go
Yes,
go
yes,
go
yes.
more on holiday. Alright, I see. It's my first time here in India, and
Okay.
I will ask more if I have questions. Is that okay?
So, and also there is a fort called Penakonda Fort. It is around 150 kilometers from here.
So far.
It's a very good one.
Yeah.
And you can explore the area 86 also.
Mm-mm.
That is a nice place.
Nice place.
Very nice.
So many.
Let's
places.
see. I think I have to because it's so far. 150 kilometers, so it's like 2 to 3 hours away from
Yeah.
Bangalore.
If you are vlogging, so like Bangalore Palace. And
Bangalore
Mysore
Palace.
Palace is a very beautiful.
Bangalore Palace, for example, this video cam,
I
Does-
don't think so.
it's
I don't think so. They won't allow.
they don't allow
Yes.
unless it. I saw the internet. It has extra charge.
Yes, extra charge.
Extra charge. Yeah, extra charge. Yeah.
For
That's it.
exploring food, if you want like food and breweries, and there is so many big places also there.
Yeah, I'm looking forward for the food. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's totally different from my place. From my place, it's more like sweet, more like sour, more like here, more like chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Yeah, like curry, more.
Butter
Yeah,
chicken. Have you tried butter chicken?
butter chicken. Yeah, biryani, chicken biryani. Yeah, I tasted like.
Naan. Have you naan?
Sorry,
Naan and butter chicken. Have you?
not yet.
Tandoori.
But in the Philippines, we have many buffet hotels.
Yes.
They serve Indian food.
Oh, is it?
In my country, yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah, they always serve Western, Chinese, then Indian.
Yes.
Then in Indian, I always get the biryani one, chicken biryani, and the curry. Thank you. Good night. Yeah.
Just tap it down.
Okay. Thank you very much. Good night. Napalaban ako sa English. Antok na ako. Sorry. Hindi talaga ako magaling mag-English, guys. Kaya, pasensya na. Ganun talaga na ako eh. Ganun talaga ako. Hindi ako magaling mag-English. Pero at least, di ba, naiintindihan nila. So, pupunta na tayo sa ating room. So, para makita natin yung room natin. M18. So, room ko is 1018. Actually, napasok ko na yung gamit eh. Gusto ko lang makita niyo para yung headlines. Pagpasok mo sa room, ano siya? Para siyang amoy yosi. Na ewan. Ito. Wax matches. Para saan to? Pwede ba mag-yosi dito? Is it allowed na mag-yosi? Okay. Parang bawal naman mag-yosi. Wow! Buka na lang. Bukod sila. Malaki. Yan yung room. Yes. So, ano yung ano natin? Ang ating view. Wow! Eh, yan ang magandang view. Pero di nyo kita. Ako lang nakikita nyo. So, sa umaga na lang. So, ayun guys. Nandito na ako sa India! Yoo! Naka ano rin. I'm speechless. Speechless na ano. Grabe. Nakarating ako sa India, imagine. Napanalood ko talaga to sa Cathay Pacific tapos binigay sa akin ng Bangalore. Ito na ako ngayon. Nasa Bangalore na ako ngayon. Pero syempre, it could be sana man lang New Delhi, di ba? Kasi nandun kasi Taj Mahal. Nasabi ko kanina sa reception, dapat English kami. Pero blessing pa rin kay Lord kasi at least kahit paano, di ba? Nanalo ka. And nanalo ka. Nanalo ako and syempre, kumbaga, ito na, Bangalore. So, matutulog na ako guys. So, ito na. Tomorrow na tayo mag-usap. Bye-bye guys. Good night.